What up, people? So you've been wondering where I disappeared. So basically, if you're following with my videos, you saw that I posted a video that I'm moving to Mexico, and finally I got here. Actually, I took my dog with me, because it is a Rottweiler. This is like a dangerous breed, and I had a little bit problems with that. I needed a certain cage. It doesn't matter. I'm here right now, and this is what I wanted. I wanted to have time only to sell on eBay and make a living out of it, and not like my country in Israel that it is super expensive to live, and you need to do at least like 4,000 US dollars per month just to live in Israel. It's insanely high priced country, and there's nothing really to do there. So I'm at Mexico right now. I live in Cancun. I'm still not in my new place. I'm still I have a family here that took me in for a few days. I think tomorrow I will finally have my new place in Cancun, and that I will be showing you guys. And we will start again to make full-time videos, and we will start growing our eBay business. I stopped a little bit. I'm still selling on eBay. The sales dropped a bit down because I didn't have time. I was too stressed about this moving, and now I'm slowly getting back. I'm waiting until I will have my internet connection and to set up my home office, and then we will start making like money like crazy, because this is why I came here. Yes, the beaches are great, it is super beautiful, and I can go and relax here and have a good time, but I am here not for that. I am here to make money. Okay, if I can live in Mexico for like 500 bucks per month, that's insane. It's super cheap, and for me it's good, not because I can spend more money for chilling out and for luxury that I don't need right now. I can invest this money back to more employees, to maybe starting my Amazon business, Shopify, Instagram, all those things that I am really interested in, because this is the thing, my thing that I want to do, is to make money online. And this is what I'm interested in, and this is, I found that this is my thing. I love it. I want to do it. It doesn't matter I make 3 grand, 30 grand. Yes, I want to do 30 grand, but I moved here because I want to only do online business. I want to make money only online, and because online business, it's not that stable like a regular job. But here in Mexico, 500 bucks per month, it is super easy to make online, and I want to move forward here. I want to expand. I want to go ahead and open more eBay stores and start making a really big money. So this is just a quick shout out for you guys that are watching my videos and also contacting me. And now I'm getting back again to do one-on-one coaching. If you are interested to like learn my tips, tricks, everything that I learned, I'm not guaranteeing you that you will make 10 20 grand, because I didn't make this, I make that yet. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. That there are guys that selling you start drop shipping, you will be making 10 20 grand that easy, and it's the biggest lie ever. Okay, I never saw someone that make that amount of money from eBay. Okay, I think it is possible, but I'm not sure. We will put that to the test now in Mexico. But if you want to do consulting one-on-one, I'm always available. You can hit me in my email. Okay, you will see in the description my email. You have a free Facebook group that you can join to help you out and answer your questions. My Instagram that I try to post there daily, and my Facebook. Okay, start following, and if you are interested about eBay, you love this, this is your thing, eBay and online business, make money online, you need to subscribe to my channel. Okay, because this is, the channel is only for those that are interested about making money online. Okay, so thank you for your time, thank you for watching, I miss you guys, and we will be back hard. Okay, we'll be making videos daily. Okay, so stay updated, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching.